Okay, so we're back. This is, like I said, this is one of the original, actual first movie that ever came out for the Star Trek series. My opinion on it is it's a great movie because it has a lot of the original references to it, and plus, you get a unique story for it. The plot revolved around the USS Enterprise being decommissioned after its 5-year mission, and they have to be called out again. Captain Kirk has to be returned to his throne, or his chair, as we all call it, to take down a unknown identified called V'ger. And if you guys are space fans, you should know that Voyager is actually V'ger. So V'ger comes in contact with this superior life form and becomes assimilated a part of it, kind of like the Borg. So again, it says why the non any object that we don't understand is called a thing. That's from Bones. It says for the first time on DVD, see the original theatrical version of the film as it was initially released in theaters. A massive alien presence of enormous power enters Federation space, destroying 3 powerful Klingon cruisers and neutralizing everything in its path. At the head towards Earth, Admiral James T. Kirk returns to the helm of an updated USS Enterprise and sets course to meet the aggressor head-on. Just reading that plot, it's so vague because there is so much more to this movie as any other movie that would be released during this time. There was another movie called The Black Hole that was released at the time of this release. Definitely a good movie. Definitely you should go check out. A little Trek trivia before we go is Star Trek, the motion picture, was nominated for an Oscar for Best Visual Effects. And coming up, we will be doing the sequel called Star Trek II, The Wrath of Khan, if you guys know what that is. So stick around, we'll be doing part 2, and then hopefully we'll be going on to that. So stick around and we'll see what happens.